Okay folks, so this is the water pressure switch. It broke off due to the fact nobody knows. That's the washer, that's the O-ring, and this is a broken tip. So it was leaking. Customer complained. Really easy to change it. First thing you do is put the water pressure switch right there as it is. Okay. Make sure your water pump is on. Everybody's splashing with water. Now make sure you have that set right there. After you do that, make sure it's a little bit tight. And then simply take the same tube, put it on, use the clamp, put that on. On the other side there are two wires, and they'll go on the wiring. It doesn't matter which wire you put, it's just making a contact. So let's see, these are the two pins for the 24 volt. They put that in there. That's one, nice and easy. Make sure don't put too much pressure on it, that's how it breaks. And put the other one in there too. I'll be good to go.